class. Today we will discuss last chapter of this unit, chapter number 10, the hen. In this chapter, hen is having great importance. The friendship of two friends destroy only due to the hen. So, what is the story? How good friends became enemies? We will discuss in this chapter. Mrs. Sangrel has a troublesome guest at her house. Troublesome guest means the guest which cause her some sort of tension. Another guest is due to arrive means the another guest is coming on some particular day. Can her son Clovis convey the troublesome guest to leave without his mother's knowledge? So क्या चाहता है वो, क्या क्वेश्चन कर रहा है कि उसका बेटा है जो क्लोविस, क्या वो उस ट्रबलसम गेस्ट को घर छोड़ने के लिए मजबूर कर सकता है विदाउट हिज मदर्स नॉलेज? वी विल रीड इन दिस चैप्टर. Both mother and son are sitting together and having some discussion. The discussion starts with this next Thursday. So, someone is coming next Thursday. Mother is telling to his son that some person is coming to our home next Thursday, and Jane Marlet, one of the important character of this story, Jane Marlet, is going to stay in their home for 5 days, and she never stayed less than 4 nights. Means वो जब भी उनके घर आती है, she always stay for 4 nights and 5 days, and none of the reason can make her leave the home before 4th night or 5th day, and she will surely did not leave the home by Thursday. It makes sure, here the story clears that the person who is going to come on Thursday is having some sort of problem with Jane Marlet. So her son, Mrs. Sangrel's son, Clovis, says to her mother that you should ask her to leave our home before Thursday. But her mother says that why should I ask her this thing? She and Dora are very good friends. Not good friends, but best friends. Then she asks a question to her son that aren't they? क्या पूछती है वो? पहले कहती है they are good friends. Then she says, क्वेश्चन करती है आप फर्दर उससे कि क्या वो नहीं है? His son tells her that they used to be friends, but now they are enemies. His mother got shocked. She says that what happened? Why they became enemies? Has anybody or someone has played dirty game with them so that they became a enemies? But his son says that no one played a dirty game, but a hen came between them. A hen? What hen? So his mother asked him question, how is it possible? How a hen can destroy a friendship of two friends? So his son tells her that Jane Marlet sold a hen to Dora, and this hen was of foreign breed, and Jane thought that she will get a good money, or she will get her money back in the form of large family of chickens. But the problem was that the hen, to which the breed of hen did not lay eggs. So वो hen जो है that she can't lay or did not lay eggs. उसे क्या लगता था, उसे ये लगता था कि उसकी सारी मनी उसे वापस मिल जाएगी जब व्हेन शी विल गेट अ लार्ज फैमिली ऑफ चिकन्स. बट afterwards she comes to know that the hen does not lay eggs. That's why both of them became enemies, and now they start quarreling wherever they met, and it is very difficult to stop them. Then Clovis asked one more question to his mother. Can you put Dora off? Means, is it possible to postpone Dora's meeting? क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि डोरा हमारे घर में थोड़ा टाइम रुक के आ जाए? But her mother says that she has already posted her visit once, and now it is not good thing to post it once again. And on the other hand, Jane is not going to leave home before fourth night is over. So Clovis make one plan to make Jane Marlet leave the home before fourth night. After some time, he goes to uh, Jane Marlet and says that it is very difficult to handle a servant in this time. But she says that your mother is so lucky that she got such a good servant, and the name of that servant is Sturridge, as he is working in her home from many years and giving good service to her. At this, Clovis answered her that it is very difficult. It is really a problem when a servant stay with you for many years, and for being staying with you from many years, it really became a problem for you. He has observed some problem in storage. What was that problem? The problem of orderliness. Orderliness means a habit of disciplined and organized. It means he keep on doing or keep on correcting something in a correct manner to some to सेम सराउंडिंग फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम. क्या करता है वो, क्या है उसकी ऑर्डरलीनेस कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिसिप्लिन्ड है, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, और इसके साथ वो क्या करता है, जो चीज़ एक चीज़ ख़राब हो जाती है उसे बार बार ठीक करता है, सेम मैनर में करता है, और सेम सराउंडिंग में एक चीज़ वो बहुत लंबे टाइम से कर रहा है. And this thing really made a person mad. You must have observed in your families, mothers keep on changing the furnitures. Suppose today the bed is placed to the this side of the room, next year she will placed toward the this side. So everybody keep on changing everything, but with storage I keep on correcting the things in correct manner from the long time, and this really makes someone mad. And the same thing said by Jane Marlet. On this, she get answer that he is not mad, but on many things he is very reliable and sensible person. He have proved himself sensible person on many points, but sometime he is caught in the false beliefs. क्या हो जाता है, उसे भ्रम हो जाता है, and this thing cause embarrassment to him, and it happened mostly on occasions. So on those occasions where he has false beliefs in his mind, this cause embarrassment for Clovis. And these false beliefs are mostly about the guests which come to their home for party and other purpose. Now Jane Marlet is little worried. She asks a question to him that he might be a dangerous for me also. Do you think he can be dangerous for me? And शी गेट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज आंसर दैट कि आई डोंट नो वो क्या सोचता है हमारे गेस्ट के बारे में, और अगर वो किसी पर्सन के साथ उसे मैच कर लेता है तो उसके साथ वो क्या करता है, वो क्या है, दैट मेक दी अनफॉर्चुनेट टर्न। सो वो ये बात जो है इट विल बी क्लियर्ड फर्दर इन द चैप्टर, क्यों वो ऐसे कह रहा है कि वो किसी के बारे में सोच लेता है और अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ गलत कर बैठता है या कर देता है। एंड एट प्रेजेंट मोमेंट ही इज़ वरीड अबाउट